only tax where we give you the naked truth about how the tax system works. We're excited to bring you another episode of our only tax series. Today, our accountants, Jason and Alyssa, will be offering their insights on a question from one of our subscribers. Here's the question. Can you please help me understand how the taxes work? I bought a house, one house for $200,000 and sold it for $700,000, giving me a $500,000 gain. I then did a 1031 exchange and bought a 300,000 property, that is house two, and a 200,000 property, that is house three, to defer the taxes. A few years later, let's say I sell the house to $300,000 1031 property for $100,000, earning a $100,000 gain. Which taxes will I owe at that point? I owe taxes on the original $500,000 gain from house number one, or only on the new one, $100,000 gain from selling the house number two?
Well, that's a nice question. Well, to fully defer taxes in a 1031 exchange, you must remember that you need to reinvest all your proceeds and buy replacement property equal to or greater than your net sale price. So if you sold for $700,000, you'd need to buy $700,000 plus or more for the new property and use all your cash. Well, since your example, you only reinvest $500,000, the tax wasn't fully deferred from the start. So only a CPA can calculate the exact amount. So it is better for you to consult a CPA with regards to your case. Well, as for your question or your other question, when you sell a 1031 property, you'll owe both the deferred tax from the original exchange and the new gain plus depreciation recapture from the property you're selling. Unless you do another 1031, all deferred taxes then will become due. Right, Jason?
Yes, and that is 100% correct. Alisa, also something to be mindful about is that if you receive cash from the 1031 exchange, that is considered booked. And when you receive booked, that part is not deferred, and you actually have to pay taxes on that. Alisa is 100% correct regarding the basis of your replacement property. Carries over to your replacement property. So great job explaining that, Alisa.
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Jason and Melissa, for your professional insights. Do you want your question to be answered? Don't worry, you can comment down below or send us a Facebook comment in our REI Tax Hack Facebook group. And that's once again, Only Tax, where we give you the naked truth about how the tax system works.